What's up guys, welcome back to Diving Garage. And today's video is finally time to get the blower installed. Now it's time to get all of this stuff into here. Let's dive in.
Feels got it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
Guys, I haven't been this nervous to fire something up probably ever. Because I've built engines, and you know that first engine fire up feeling, a little nervous, a little excited. This is worse. This is like almost painful. All right, guys, this is it. Here we go. Got Holly on, fuel pump primed, everything's good to go. I'm gonna turn the key, see what happens. Whoa! Oh, it turned on! Holy crap! Whoa! I did not expect that. Dang! Oh man! Look! Perfect. Guys, holy crap! I'm running out there. Uh-oh, what we got? We got probably like an oil leak. A little bit of oil overspray, that's fine. Look at it! Oh! Yes! Yeah! Look at this! We're running with the blower! Oh, we got a stall. Okay. I don't know what happened. That was epic. Ah, man. That stinking upper hose blew. It shot coolant everywhere. Look at this. Oh, man. It looks like a fire. Yo, look at this. What is happening? Look at this. I got hit in the face. This isn't that bad. Warmed up. We are on like a little side road here I like to go on, so I'm gonna kind of get into it kind of hard and see what happens. Oh man, oh there's the power. There it is. Oh geez, Hank's pulling hard. Okay, so I was so focused on what I was doing with the video and the tune. I had the laptop out taking logs, and I kind of noticed that when I was getting into it, it was going real lean. I'll get in, real lean, get out. So I thought it was something with the tune. So I was just kind of giving it more fuel. And I was like, man, something is weird. Something's not right. Maybe I have a mechanical problem. And I'm driving along and I was like, you know, I only put like 5 gallons in and I've been ripping around all over the place. Let me go get some gas. And right once I made that decision, the engine cut. Ran out of gas. I do this a lot. I don't know if you noticed. But yeah, I'm gonna get some gas. All right, well, Mrs. Diving Garage to the rescue again. Whoa! Oh man! All right, how about a shift down? Woo! Oh man! I didn't press it enough to shift down, but wow, that thing freaking eats.